Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the timing chain on a BMW 3 Series. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a specialized timing chain locking tool set and a new timing chain kit. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the battery and drain both the engine oil and coolant. Next, carefully remove any components that block access to the timing chain cover, such as the intake manifold and valve cover, to prepare for the replacement. With the engine prepared, remove the valve cover and oil pan to gain full access to the timing chain and its components. Now, it's crucial to use your specialized timing chain locking tools to secure the crankshaft and camshafts precisely at top dead center. This prevents any rotation during the process. Next, carefully unbolt and remove the old timing chain tensioner and guide rails. Now it's time to install the new timing chain. Carefully route the new chain, ensuring all timing marks on the crankshaft, camshafts, and high-pressure fuel pump are perfectly aligned. Install the new guide rails and the new timing chain tensioner, tightening all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 25 Newton meters. Double-check all alignments one final time. With the new timing chain in place and verified, begin reassembling all components. Reinstall the oil pan, valve cover, and intake manifold, ensuring all gaskets are new and properly seated. Refill the engine with the correct type and amount of fresh engine oil, typically around 6½ liters, and top up the coolant. Finally, start the engine and listen carefully for any unusual sounds, then check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.